Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to share my recipe with you for another simple dish or ingredient which is called butter dumplings. Yeah, a very simple thing, but we use this one for soups or for an entree. Okay, but for the butter dumplings, obviously we need butter, right? So first step first, we have to get this butter to a very foamy consistency. This is very important. Of course, I have my hand blender here, right? And then I whisk this one now very foamy, and this gets a little bit noisy, and off we go. Okay, everybody. Now our butter, as you can see now, it's nice and foamy, whisked. Our next step, we will take our 2 eggs, not separate them, crack them. Right, there we go, in our bowl first, of course, our 2 eggs, and these 2 eggs now we bringing into our bowl and whisk this on a medium strength into our butter mixture. Now we season our mixture with, I have a little bit nutmeg here, just put 2 pinches of nutmeg in there, and then I have our coarse Himalayan salt. We put 2 pinches in here, and the flour we fold now gradually into our butter. We can put it all in, and then we mix it all nicely together. Okay, now we make it nicely, we mix it all nicely, combine it to a nice smooth dough. So I mixed now our dough nicely together, as you can see, right? So it's a nice smooth paste, maybe. And now we're forming the quenelles or dumplings. Now I show you today 2 versions. I have 2 teaspoons, right? So it's easy. We take a sort of 2/3 of it, and then we're making sort of a slow motion, quenelles like that, dumplings, bang, 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 and then we drop it into the water. Whoop, I do one more time. So here we go. Yeah, zack, zack, zack. And you can see they're swimming already. So normally you take, in this size, you're taking a time, 5 minutes in the water, and then we take them out. So I make around 10. And I see you then. Okay, our butter dumplings, they are now simmering, right, in a slightly salt water, right, for now 6 minutes. They are definitely ready, and I have already in the back here a little bit of drip tray, so we put them on here, take them out of the water, and I like to show you now, as I promised you a minute ago, another version, which is a little bit easier to do, a little bit rustic, but that's the same trick. Okay, so our water is simmering nicely. Now I take 2 soup spoons, a little bigger ones, right? So on one I take a big chunk, and now I just scoop it off like this into the water. Bang, look at this. Bang, bang, nearly equal good, right? Remember, these quenelles, these dumplings, they how can I say? Don't scoop too big. That's what I want to say. Yeah. Okay, so our butter dumplings, right? So there's options what we're doing in Germany. We call this eine Hochzeitssuppe. Yeah. Then we're putting these dumplings in a nice soup bowl, of course, you know. Yeah. And then, as you can see already, I have done some vegetable brunoise in here, and then comes a nice, chicken or beef bouillon, consommé, if you can do, right, over it. Yeah. So this is one version of our butter dumpling soup, yeah, for your customers to enjoy. Then I prepared the other version for you. Now, remember as I call them, the cornels, what I did on the beginning. So now I salted them on in additional butter. And now I made sort of an entree. I have a little bit of a lettuce, greens. So there, as you can see, they're golden brown, beautiful, nicely sort of sauteed on. We're spreading them all around here. Yeah, so nicely done. Bang, bang, bang. I think that's plenty. Yeah, and then obviously on here we have to drizzle a little bit, crack a little bit of our salt on. Yeah, a little bit of the peppermill, all this gimmicky thing, right? Yeah, our magic, my golden saffron oil, beautiful. Yeah, very important actually in this case. Yeah, because these lettuce leaves, they want to obviously get a little bit of oomph as well. And as you can see, a color contrast is missing. I made a beetroot chutney, yeah, and then this beetroot chutney we just flock on however it falls, right? Look at this. Can't complain, eh? Ladies and gentlemen, that's 2 versions of my butter dumplings for you to try out next time, right? So one is in the soup, one is on a lettuce leaf. And did you know, by clicking the link below, right, says buy me a coffee, right, you can have access to these recipes and all the other ones what are on the repertoire. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time. Something like that.